A very good evening, traders. Welcome to a new video of chart analysis where I will be sharing a trade that I had taken recently. I have closed this trade today. In this video, we will dive deep into the thought process that I had before taking this trade, within the trade, and why, to be precise, I closed my positions today. Without wasting any further time, let's move on to the screen. The screen, we have chart of NTPC equity opened up. This is 1 hour time frame chart, and on the 1 hour time frame you can see that I have drawn this downward sloping parallel channel. Let me now zoom out the chart so that we can clearly see where this parallel downward channel has started. Now you can see that this downward channel is quite covering major price action from May 25 onwards. After that, most of the trading in this equity has happened within this parallel channel. It is quite evident that it is downward sloping, so somewhat it is in a negative scenario. Let's now look on to daily chart. What is happening on daily chart? On daily, we can see that last year there was a massive rally that took price and that almost doubled its price. That NTPC almost doubled its price. After that, when correction started in mid-October, at the starting of October, this equity also corrected. It corrected to almost about we can say 440 to 140. About one third of the rally it has given up. Let me mark the Fibonacci retracement. As the Fibonacci retracement says, NTPC equity took support at 50% Fibonacci levels. You can see this 0.5. This 0.5. And price has taken support exactly here. Where after it took support, it gave a slight bounce back, and now it is in hovering between these in a downward channel on the daily chart. Now come to hourly chart. What is happening in the hourly chart? I have already drawn this parallel channel. Now let me zoom in the chart. So recently, last month, I saw price hovering here this way. In the parallel channel, I can see that it is at the bottom of this parallel channel. Moreover, it has crossed like broken down this parallel channel. However, since the channel has been intact for a long time, almost 3 months, I was quite sure that there will be demand at this level. And so this day on 10th of September, in the morning phases itself, I took entry at this candle. Somewhat I took trade in future, and the spot was at around 325 and future was almost at 338. My entry came to be 338. So from here, on the same day, I saw price going up initially, but then during the afternoon it came way back crashing to my opening levels. However, I was confident about this price action, and so I held on to the trade. Next day there was a massive rally of around 1.5%. Then there was a slight consolidation of this rally, Then again the rally continued, and this way it for the past days it has been going up continuously. During this up move, I had many times the urge to book profits. However, I held on to my view that price will surely reach up to the upper range, upper bo- to the upper boundary of this parallel channel, and so I waited patiently for prices to reach here. Today, it reached here, and seeing a good profit, I did not hesitate booking it. However, after I booked it, as usual, I was having, uh, as usual, I was having thoughts of what if price breaks this channel to the upside and I miss this rally. These are common these are common doubts in the life of a trader. Also, there is a dilemma that if I don't book here and prices come down back, then to I will lose all my then I will lose all the profits, all the paper profits that I have, and that will be a major disappointment. So usually, what a great way to deal with these scenarios is that when we have multiple positions, let's say we have two lots, then what we can do is that when I have seen that this is a good resistance, I will book half my quantity here and then trail my stop loss somewhere here. Since my entry was here, I am booking one half my quantity at here and half quantity if price comes way back down. So both my halves are in profits. One is slightly greater than the other one. That way, though I will lose a small portion of the profit. However, would ha- what if price did not come? What if price had not come down and broke out this? Then if I had booked all my quantity, I would have missed this rally. So, though in this using this tactic, using this strategy, though we miss a small portion of the profit, we are satisfied that at least if there was a uh, rally ahead, we would have been a part of that rally. So the reason that I booked the profit today was that I found it very near to the resistance, and anytime there we can see a surge of supply which would bring price way back to don't know what levels. The price may come back here also. And so I converted my paper profits to real profits and added it to my account. That was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my analysis, and through this short video I hope you guys are able to grasp price action concepts that are useful in trading. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Adios amigo, powering off.